Welcome to this video on the architecture of energy, focusing on Ohm's law and the electromagnetic world. Ohm's law and related power formulas are the mathematical foundation of how we understand and utilize electrical energy. Electric current, or I, is often compared to a river. For water to flow, a pressure difference is needed. Similarly, electrons move only if there is a potential difference, or voltage V, creating an electric pressure. Ohm's law, V equals I times R, is the mathematical backbone of electricity. V is the potential difference, or push. I is the current or flow. R is the resistance, or the constant opposing force. Ohm's law dictates a linear relationship. As voltage increases, current increases proportionally. This proportional relationship means the ratio of voltage to current, which is resistance, remains constant. Resistance is the obstacle. Electrons are not free. They traverse a landscape of atomic friction. This friction is resistance, measured in ohms. Georg Simon Ohm established this linearity in 1827. Resistance is defined by the resistivity of the material, the length of the conductor, and its cross-sectional area. Longer conductors have more resistance, while wider conductors have less. We manipulate and control the circuit by changing the resistance. While the source voltage remains relatively constant, we regulate the current by adjusting the resistance, following the formula I equals V divided by R. Beyond Ohm's law, electricity and magnetism are linked. In 1820, Ørsted discovered that current creates a magnetic field. This invisible force is what we call the ghost field. We can map the direction of this magnetic field using the right-hand thumb rule. If your thumb points in the direction of the current, your curled fingers indicate the direction of the magnetic field. Coiling a wire into a solenoid engineers a stronger magnetic field. This geometry amplifies the effect, creating an electromagnet that functions similarly to a permanent magnet. When a current-carrying conductor is placed in a magnetic field, it experiences a force. This kick is perpendicular to both the current and the magnetic field direction. This simple interaction is the engine of civilization. Applying electric current and a magnetic field results in mechanical motion, powering everything from electric vehicle drivetrains to complex medical scanners. If the circuit's backbone breaks due to a short circuit, resistance approaches zero. This causes the current to approach infinity, leading to dangerous conditions. A fuse prevents damage by melting and breaking the circuit. Ohm's law, V equals I times R, is the silent rule governing the unified system of energy. It underlies everything, from the voltage drop across a simple resistor to the powerful spin of an electric motor.